Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
Need a little help with my brother's XJ8. When he starts the vehicle, it has a metallic chatter in the driver's side valve area. That's the US driver's side, which is the vehicle left side. It chatters for a second or two, then it goes quiet. Then when he shuts it off, it chatters for a second or two again. It just sounds like something metal bouncing around in there. So I got 4 questions about it. Here they are. Number 1, if you believe you know what the chatter is, what is it? Number 2, what is the probable cause of that issue? Number 3, how long can he drive that car like that, or should he immediately park it until it's fixed? And number 4, is that something that I could probably do myself, a DIY job with certain tools and parts? So listen to it, let me know what you think. I appreciate your time. Crank sound on this Jag. Man, when you cut it off, I can hear something in that valve train on top. Cut it off. Yeah, don't start it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.